Let's go on a journey through time and discover the amazing work of an inventor who helped shape the way we use electricity. His name is Aldon B, and he was an African-American inventor who worked on making electrical systems safer and smarter. Even though his name isn't as famous as some others, what he did helped improve the way we power our home schools and cities. Long ago, when Aldon B was growing up, the world was starting to use more electricity. Lights were coming on in houses, radios were bringing music and stories into living rooms, and people were finding new ways to use power to help them work and play. But electricity could also be dangerous. If a system wasn't wired properly or didn't shut off when something went wrong, it could start a fire or break machines. That's where Aldon B stepped in. Aldon B studied and worked hard to learn everything he could about how electrical circuits worked. A circuit is like a big loop that electricity travels through. If the loop is broken, the power stops. That's a good thing if something goes wrong, like too much electricity rushing through the wires. But back then, not all systems had smart ways to stop that power. Aldon B wanted to make that better. In the 1970s, Aldon B created and patented a special invention. A patent is a legal paper that says, "This idea belongs to you because you invented it." That's how inventors are recognized and protected. His invention was called a time delay relay control circuit. That sounds like a big complicated name, so let's break it down together. A relay is like a switch. A time delay means it doesn't switch right away. It waits. So, Aldon B built a system that could control when power turned on or off, and it waited just the right amount of time to make sure everything was safe. His circuit helped machines and systems turn on in the right order and stop if something went wrong, without needing someone to push a button. This invention was very important. It was used in all kinds of machines and systems. For example, in factories where big machines work together or in places where lots of electricity moves around, having this kind of control helped stop accidents. It also helped things last longer because they didn't get too hot or overloaded. Just think about the traffic lights on the street. They don't all turn green at once. They follow a pattern with pauses between each change. In a similar way, Aldon B invention helped machines follow a safe pattern when turning on or off. African-American Aldon B work didn't stop with just one patent. He kept thinking of new ways to make systems smarter and safer. He filed other patents that showed how circuits could be made better and how relays could be designed to wait for just the right amount of time before acting. What makes Aldon B story so special is that he saw a problem, machines turning on too fast or at the wrong time, and he solved it with his creativity, brainpower, and persistence. He didn't have giant labs or big companies backing him, but he believed in his ideas, and he made sure those ideas were protected so they could be used to help people everywhere. His story teaches us a lot. First, it shows how important it is to notice the little problems around us. Second, it reminds us that solving problems takes patience. Sometimes you need to test things again and again. Third, it shows that no matter who you are or where you come from, your ideas can change the world if you don't give up. Even though we don't always see his name in textbooks, Aldon B made a lasting impact. His inventions are part of the foundation that helps engineers today build better electrical systems. Whether it's in your school, at the hospital, or even in the computers we use, smart electrical control systems are everywhere. So the next time you turn on a light or see a machine start running in just the right order, remember that inventors like Aldon B helped make that possible. He made the world safer by using his mind and his heart to bring power under control. We honor Aldon B not only for what he built, but for the example he left behind, that thinking carefully, solving problems, and believing in your ideas can help shape the future. Let's all try to be a little like Aldon B. Let's look for smart ways to make the world better and safer, one great idea at a time. If you like this video and would like to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment, share with others, and subscribe to our channel.